What is up? It is Jordan from Buy 9 to 5, helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5, and really excited to show you guys what I just did here. So let's take a look. As you can see, I just got some Patriots versus Chiefs tickets, so really excited about that. It's the AFC Championship, so the winner's going to go to the Super Bowl, so really excited about that. Yeah, $1,387 right there, 9th row. We got 2 tickets there. It's going to be on the 40-yard line. Didn't want to sit any closer because, first of all, they were gouging like $1,500 a ticket, and you can't really see over the players. We've sat down there before, and you can't really see over the players if you're like, you know, first through like third on the sideline. So we got 9th row, 40-yard line, so that's going to be super, super fun. Really excited about that, guys. So we're leaving like right after this. This is going to be a short little update video just to let you guys know AdWords. In the next one, I'm going to give you some business strategies, kind of outlining for you guys how you can make money using these Google ads. I'm also going to show you a way. I came up with another hack that I just kind of found about how you can actually get extremely cheap views and view time, which I think would really help some of you grow your channels, and you know, you can use that to also rank your videos and things like that, which will help you grow really, really quickly. So that's something that I'm going to talk about in the next video. Today I'm going to talk about how you can, since I'm talking about the game already, how you can leverage the game to really make a lot of money this weekend in particular. So as you guys know, whenever there's a big game, so like the AFC Championship and the NFC Championship is tomorrow. So those are the times where, especially if you have a sports channel right now, or even if you don't, now is the perfect time to either find some videos to post on the subject or make some compilation videos. And in the masterclass, I teach you guys exactly how to make how to make montages. I teach you guys exactly how to make montages, and so you can go in there and make your own montage. You can make a montage of Patrick Mahomes highlights for 2018, Tom Brady highlights for 2018. Then you can make a montage of Tom Brady versus you know, Mahomes, and then you can make, and then during the game you can post first quarter highlights, second quarter highlights, third quarter highlights, fourth quarter highlights. You can either find those, or you can make your own, or you can find them and edit them a little bit, put a little music in it, something like that. And I teach you how to do all of that inside the masterclass. And the masterclass, by the way, I am leaving it as $95 for the rest of this weekend to help you guys out with, you know, with doing these highlights and things like that. But I am telling you that it's going back to $125 as soon as I get back from my trip. So if you do want in, now's the time to get into that masterclass before it goes up to $125, all right? So as soon as I get back, it's going back up to $125. And it's going to stay there. It's not going to go back down to $95. So if you do want in, this is going to be the last weekend that's ever going to be at $95. And so, you know, join the 421 students have went in there and figure out how to make these montages, figure out how to do this. Not only that, but I teach you guys exactly how to get into the monetization and exactly how to pass the monetization with just one video, and it takes about a week, okay? This method is going to cost about $15. You make one little video, really easy to make, and then all you do is, you know, shoot the views and the subs to it. It's a special formula I came up with. And then right after that, you know, you get into the review within a week with that one video. And a lot of my students lately have been passing the review in 2 to 3 weeks. So if you do that method, you're going to get into monetization. You're going to have a monetized channel within like 3 weeks. So then you can definitely pull all of these things. Or in the masterclass, I also teach you how you can have a monetized channel right now. So there's nothing stopping you right now from literally going in, going into the course, getting a montage channel right now, and then literally uploading, you know, montages on the games that are coming up this weekend and making a bunch of money. There's nothing stopping you from doing that right now, all right? So take advantage of that, but you know, now is a good time to do that. I see that all the time on sports channels. They'll do first quarter highlights, second quarter highlights, third quarter highlights, fourth quarter highlights, full game highlights, and there's 2 games this week. You can also post pre-game stuff, pre-game highlights. You can post, you know, montages of specific players for the year. You can post montages of specific teams for the year. Chiefs top highlights of the year. Patriots top highlights of the year. Tom Brady top highlights of the year. Mahomes top highlights of the year. And just keep doing that. You know, so you could get a good 10, 15 videos out of this one weekend. And since everyone is literally typing in stuff about that game, it's going to work for you guys. Everyone is literally typing in stuff about this game today, all right? So there's nothing stopping you from doing that. And so that's going to do it for this one. We got to head out here to Kansas City. We're actually getting a hotel downtown this time. We're not getting a cabin again, all right? So for those of you who are like, oh, it's so cold, why'd you do that? We're getting a hotel this time, all right? Downtown, Power and Lights District. So we're going to go down, walk down to the, you know, area and have a fun time celebrating with everyone in Kansas City, getting ready for the big game tomorrow. So that's going to be a lot of fun. So I got to head out, and I got to finish packing. We're going to be leaving here in about half an hour. So that's it. I'm out. Fast one there today. And I'll be posting again Monday. And don't forget, if you want in at 95, it's your last chance to do it. I mean it this time. So that's it. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Go Chiefs. Peace.